Human brain is a masterpiece of nature's evolution. But can we make a computer program which can replicate the same behavior? The answer is, although researchers and companies like Google, Apple are trying so hard to do it, but we're still not there. But if we ask, can we write a program which can work like brain cells, then the answer might be different. Our brain is made of billions of neurons, and those neurons create networks. It receives electrical signals from various other neurons and processes it and sends the output to the other neuron. And our entire brain is filled with this network. So now the question is, can we write a program which can do similar thing? The answer is, folks, yes, we have something like this. And this is called neural network. In this program, we create a class called neuron, which can receive multiple inputs. Then it adds them together and passes it through a transfer function called f and creates an output. So what is the deal? Why it's so special? What it can do that other programs cannot do? So if we create a program which will create a bunch of this neuron all connected to each other and create a network, then it can do some pretty cool stuff. And this is what neural net is. To understand how it works, let's look at a simple network which has two input neurons, one output neurons, and two hidden neurons. And now let's say we want it to be an OR operator. The hidden one neuron will get input from input 1 and input 2. The output of the input 1 neuron will get multiplied by W11 and output of the input 2 neuron will get multiplied by W21. And the hidden one neuron will add that to value and it will process it and give to the output neuron. Same goes for the hidden 2 neuron. And at the end, the output neuron will take those values and multiply it with the corresponding weights and it will sum that and it will process with the transfer function and give the final value. This process is called feed forward because one neuron is feeding its value to the next layer neuron. Now let's say it produced 0.6 as its output. So the error here will be 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. Now according to the error, the output neuron will update its weights so that it can minimize the error for the next input. And same goes for the hidden layer. This method is called backpropagation. And if you do this again and again with different inputs, it will become more accurate. This is called training the network. And after sufficient training, your net will act like an OR operator. And this is just an example. With more complex structure, your network can perform more complex tasks, which might be impossible for you to program by yourself. And now you know how a computer program called neural network can act like human brain cells and do complex tasks like human brain. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it informative, please like and subscribe and let me know what are the other topics you want me to cover in my videos.